Which we are going to discuss now, especially since it's a summer, is the ear blockage. Now, during summer, it's already started getting very hot, and we are not yet reached the peak of summer. So, a lot of children, adults get into the swimming pools, and most of them will come with two problems. One is either the ears getting blocked, or they are not able to hear, or they have infections. Now, one of the common things will be when you're swimming, I say the swimming pool is one of the most dirtiest and the most infectious of all. You can find whatever germ you want to find in the world in the swimming pool. So, most of the children, without knowing, they just swallow. When they swallow, and if they already had a cold or something, they're going to develop an infection. Point number one. Two, when you have cold, it's better that you don't go for swimming. Or if you say, no, I want to go for swimming, they don't listen to you and go. Just ensure they don't dive deep into the water. Once they do, they are going to get a very terrible ear pain. That's because the nose is not going to function properly. And when you go deep into the water, it's almost like you're traveling in the flight. So the pressure difference is going to affect the drum, and the drum, it's going to get very irritated, and there is going to be a pus or fluid accumulation behind the drum, leading on to loss of hearing or even a blocked sensation. Now, one of the most notorious things everyone does is they just Google. I tell all my patients only one. In India, everyone is a doctor except for the doctor. Why I say that? They ask their friends and all that. Everyone will be giving a suggestion. One of the most, I'm sorry to use this word, idiotic suggestion is asking them to close the nose and blowing, saying that will get better. I had patients where the drum was ruptured, they had hearing loss. Look, if you have a ear block, if you want, you can wait for a day or two, see if it goes away. If it doesn't go away, please go and see a specialist, point number one. Or if you have an ear pain, please go and see a specialist. Look, in India, the specialist consultation is cheaper than your Inox popcorns. So, why I am saying this is, there is no point in you regretting later. As long as nothing is there, well and good. But if there is going to be a damage, then the earlier the treatment, the better is going to be the outcome. So, if you have a cold, avoid going for swimming. If your children aren't going to listen, ensure that they don't go deep into the water, dive into the water when they have a cold, or even otherwise, if they have some problems of allergy and all that, also they should not do. And three, ensure that you don't swallow the water because, as I told, I don't want to mention any other thing because it will be disgusting, but I'm sure you all know. So once that's all going to go inside, it's going to affect your lungs and it's going to affect your throat. So just be careful when you're going for swimming. Just ensure that you don't have problems, and if you have problems, avoid swimming or meet with a specialist just to ensure there's nothing wrong. Thank you.